Hi ladies and gents, my parcel from Mamedica has turned up today and it should have 10 grams of Curaleaf Lavender Cake inside it. I thought I'd unbox it and give you guys my first impressions of this. Also, we are going to be doing a big giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe so that you are notified once the giveaway goes live, so you get details on how to enter. As always, like parcels from Mamedica, it's really well packaged. And what do we have? Okay, so this is a copy of the prescription and invoice. This is important to keep. This is your proof that you've been prescribed this medication legally, so I would definitely hold on to this. And what else have we got here? We've got a Bovida pack to keep the flour moist, and this is what I've been waiting for: lavender cake, 20% flour from Curaleaf. I'm quite excited to try this one. Now let's get into this and see what the first opinions are of this flour. The smell of this, it doesn't smell as nice as the Tripoli from Curaleaf. I think smell wise that one smelled a little bit better, but yeah, I'm gonna try this medicine now for a couple of days at least, and then I shall do a review on this and let you know my final thoughts on Lavender Cake by Curaleaf. If you would like to see what the nuggets look like, then I will put a link to a short in the description where you can go and see exactly what the nuggets look like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.